Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you.
Hello, Michael. How are you today? I feel really happy meeting you this morning.
Hi, Emily. I am feeling very good today, too, and I am also happy to see you here.
I wake up early every morning and take a deep breath to start my day calmly now.
That sounds great. I also wake up slowly and try not to rush my morning today.
After waking up, I make my bed because it helps my mind feel clean and clear now.
I do that too. It makes the room look nice and gives me a good feeling inside now.
I brush my teeth every morning and night to keep my smile clean and healthy today.
I brush slowly too and use warm water because it feels gentle and relaxing now.
Washing my face wakes me up and helps me feel fresh before starting my breakfast.
I agree. Cold water wakes my brain and prepares me for a full day ahead now.
I choose comfortable clothes so I can feel relaxed and confident throughout my day.
That is smart. I also pick easy clothes so moving around feels natural and easy now.
I like cooking a simple breakfast because it gives me energy for the morning today.
Yes, a small breakfast wakes my body and makes me feel happy and ready now.
Eating slowly helps me enjoy my food and keeps my stomach feeling very good today.
I agree. When I eat too fast, I feel tired and uncomfortable for the rest of day now.
I check my phone quickly for messages, but I never stay on it for too long today.
That is healthy. I avoid my phone early to keep my mind calm and relaxed now.
Before leaving home, I take a deep breath and feel thankful for a good morning.
I like that habit. It helps me leave home with a positive feeling inside now.
Walking outside in the morning helps me feel relaxed and focused for my day.
Yes, fresh air clears my head and makes my thoughts feel lighter and better now.
I wait calmly for the bus and enjoy the quiet moments while the day begins.
Waiting patiently is nice. It helps me feel relaxed instead of rushing too fast now.
I enjoy sitting by the window and watching people while the bus moves slowly.
I do that too. It feels peaceful and helps my mind feel calm and clear now.
When I arrive at work, I smile and prepare myself to do my best calmly today.
That mindset helps a lot, making the workday feel smoother and easier to start now.
I greet my coworkers kindly because it makes work feel friendly and enjoyable today.
Yes, a small greeting can improve everyone's mood and make work feel better today.
I start my tasks slowly so I do not feel stressed and can work calmly today. That is smart.
Rushing early can make the day feel harder than it really is today.
I drink water often because it helps me stay fresh and alert for all tasks today.
Same here. Water keeps my body active and my mind ready for work calmly today.
Taking short breaks helps my body relax and improves focus for work ahead.
Yes, even a small pause can improve energy and make tasks easier today.
I enjoy lunchtime because it gives me a peaceful break from all work tasks today.
Lunch is important. It helps me regain energy for a productive afternoon now.
Talking during lunch makes the day feel shorter and more fun for both of us.
I agree. Friendly chats make work life enjoyable and easier to handle today.
After lunch, I return calmly and focus on finishing all my tasks effectively.
That helps avoid stress and keeps my afternoon work smooth and relaxed today.
Finishing work feels good because I know I completed my tasks calmly today.
Yes, ending the day with focus makes the evening feel peaceful and relaxed today.
Leaving work on time helps me enjoy the rest of my day without stress today.
That balance is important. It makes my personal life feel calm and happy now.
I shop for fresh food so I can eat healthy meals and feel better every day.
Fresh food tastes good and makes cooking at home more enjoyable and fun now.
Cooking dinner helps me relax after a long and busy day of work today, calmly.
I like helping too. It feels good to work together and enjoy the evening now.
Dinner time is special because I slow down and enjoy my meal calmly tonight.
Yes, eating slowly helps my body rest after a long and busy day today, nicely.
Watching a little TV in the evening helps me relax and forget stress today.
I agree. Simple shows help my mind rest before going to bed calmly tonight.
I check my phone briefly, then I rest my eyes to stay calm before sleep now.
That is smart. Too much phone time can make my mind tired and uneasy tonight.
An evening walk helps my body relax before sleep and clears my mind calmly.
Yes, walking outside in the evening helps me feel lighter and stress-free today.
I like sharing my day because it helps me feel lighter and happier inside tonight.
Talking helps me understand my feelings better and feel peaceful today now.
Coming home feels comforting after a long, busy, and productive day today.
Home always gives a sense of peace and safety, helping me relax completely.
Preparing things before bed helps me sleep better and feel calm tonight.
Yes, a calm routine at night makes falling asleep easier and peaceful tonight.
Washing my face at night feels refreshing and helps me relax before sleep tonight.
It removes all the day's stress and prepares my mind for a peaceful rest now.
Brushing at night is important to keep my teeth healthy and my smile bright tonight.
I never skip it because good habits help me feel proud and ready for sleep now.
I set my alarm early so I do not rush tomorrow and can start calm and happy.
Planning ahead helps the next morning feel smooth and positive for both of us.
Reading before bed helps my mind slow down and feel calm for sleep tonight.
It relaxes me and helps me fall asleep faster, ready for tomorrow calmly now.
Turning off lights feels like closing the day peacefully and preparing for sleep.
Yes, darkness helps my body rest and my mind relax for a full night's sleep.
Good night. I hope tomorrow will be a good day full of calm moments today.
Good night. Rest well and sleep peacefully to feel fresh and happy tomorrow.
I feel thankful as I close my eyes and let my mind relax fully for sleep.
Feeling grateful helps me sleep more deeply and wake up fresh tomorrow morning.
The night feels calm and quiet after a full day of work and activities today.
This peaceful moment helps my body and mind recover fully before tomorrow.
Deep sleep gives me energy to start the next day feeling fresh and ready now.
Good sleep is the base of a healthy life, helping me feel active and happy.
Sometimes I dream softly and wake up smiling, feeling happy inside quietly tonight.
Dreams can make sleep feel peaceful and help me wake up calm and refreshed tomorrow.
Silence at night feels comforting and safe for my mind and body to rest fully tonight.
Quiet moments at night help the mind and body recover for tomorrow calmly today.
Early morning light feels gentle and makes me excited for a new day calmly today.
It reminds me that a fresh start is coming and I can enjoy my day fully now.
A new day begins and I feel ready to enjoy every moment calmly and happily.
Starting fresh makes daily routines meaningful and helps me feel confident today.
Morning smiles help me start the day positively and feel ready for everything.
A small smile can change the whole mood and make the day feel lighter today.
Daily routines help my life feel stable and make each day predictable calmly now.
Good habits give structure and make it easier to manage everything smoothly today.
Simple routines give me confidence in daily life and help me feel capable now today.
Confidence grows from small daily actions and helps me feel proud of myself today.
Every day is a chance to improve slowly and feel better than yesterday, calmly now.
Small steps taken daily can lead to big positive changes over time for both of us.
Practice these sentences daily to speak English confidently and enjoy learning today.
Your progress matters, so keep practicing each day to improve and feel proud now.
Don't forget to like this video, share it, and enjoy learning English every day.
Subscribe to Mr. English Clips and continue learning English confidently daily now.